Associate Justice Kimberly Budd is a hometown success story, and as you'll see, law enforcement is a part of her DNA. Expectations were always high for Kimberly Budd, especially from her doting dad.
But he would say to me, now you know, I went a little bit farther than my father did, and I expect you to go a little bit farther than I go. I was like, what are you talking about? I was like, oh, really?
Her grandfather, Joseph Budd, was the first African-American police officer in Springfield, Massachusetts. Her father, Wayne Budd, is a former U.S. attorney, and in 2016, Kimberly Budd claimed her own piece of history, sworn in as the third African-American to ever serve as a justice on the Massachusetts Supreme Judicial Court.
It was amazing. It was really great to be in Faneuil Hall, a place where, you know, there were slave auctions, and to have retired Chief Justice Roderick Ireland and retired Associate Justice Geraldine Hines, who spoke for me, the first two African-American justices on the SJC.
Budd's path to the SJC has not been easy.
Have you ever experienced discrimination in pursuit of your dreams?
I have been underestimated, you know, in the courtroom. I've been mistaken for a defendant's girlfriend, you know, when I was first practicing.
Part of Budd's grit traces back to her overcoming the grind of Harvard Law School. A bright spot in that journey were classmates like Michelle and Barack Obama.
Did I know he was going to become president? No, I did not, but I knew he was something special.
What's also special is the way Budd and her fellow Supreme Court justices work together to decide cases.
They're great. We don't always agree. Many times we do. But when we don't agree, it's not personal. It's collegial.
Budd says she feels the gravity of lending her voice to dilemmas like inequities in the law regarding race, especially because she's a mother of two African-American sons.
It makes me nervous about when they go out and whether are they going to be treated well? Is anything going to happen to them? I think little by little, I hope, you know, that we're making progress. I feel good about being where I am and hoping to make whatever difference I can where I am.
So what's next for Justice Kimberly Budd? Does she have aspirations to serve on the U.S. Supreme Court? Check out the web extras now on NECN.com. Just search Black History Month. In studio, I'm Latoya Edwards.